Good morning from Huntington, West Virginia. I just crossed the bridge, the Ohio Bridge, into West Virginia. I'm back, and I'm going to the Peddler's Mall. I've only been here one time, and it was a lot of fun. It was storming pretty bad, so I was distracted by the fact that flash floods and no cell phone service. The weather is my favorite today though, so a little bit more of a chill experience. Let's go in and see what they got. Well, there's the first thing I see. That vase really looks like Potosi. 75 on that. 18 on the pitcher. Oh my gosh, look at this bank. Put your money where your mouth is. Hungry Bank. That's fantastic. I love places like this where it's like really, really random. Like this. What? And then here you got toys, books, VHS. All kinds of stuff sprinkled in here. Nice little California pottery piece here, it looks like. $2.25. Now we're talking. Check out these jars. How cool. Kind of like Blendo glass. I don't know if those lids are right. Oh man, I see a few things. Hey, 2 points that win, Dagny. This is a very eclectic booth. Let's see. Well, ooh, that's nice. Look at this Blinko light bulb, $175. And then this is fun, the Pilgrim glass decanter. Speaking of amber, moon and stars vase there. Kana, $20. That's not bad at all. And then back here, I see this like cat pig thing. What's going on here? Definitely a cat. $12. That's kind of fun. Sugar shaker. Nice Blinko jug. $80 on that. Definitely more flea market-y than where I usually go. However, I'm obsessed with this. The Dirty Hippie Shack. How cool are these faces? Look at this one. And they're only $30 each? What? Oh my gosh, look at this one. That is too cool. And that's $20. I'm trying to do it the way I did last time, which is go all the way to the back and work my way up, but I'm getting distracted by so many things. Here's a poodle, $8. Well, that's great for my poodle sale. And this is a neat Blinko candlestick. I love the amoeba shape. $12 on that. I'm gonna keep working my way. Do what I was initially gonna do, I should say, and go to the back and work my way up. Although it might just be mattresses back here. No, there's other stuff. All right, a lot to unpack in this booth. These are the kinds of places you really have to pay attention. Lots of clowns. Lots of clowns. Different. There's a lot of really creative handmade things in here. The cookie jar is fun. This is different. Probably a hobbyist, yeah. No shortage of clowns, man. Look at this one. He's kind of funny. He's like a pig clown. Look, you can get everything here. You have your tool thing that's like not a meat grinder and a miniature rock wall and an orchestra strand and fishing poles. It's kind of fun. I feel like this is the booth. Last time I got Dagny an epic present. Nice little, is this a lampshade or a rose bowl? It's a little bowl. That's pretty. 19 on that with the little forget-me-nots. Really pretty pink Fenton here. $35. This is a fun booth. See some anthropomorphic salt and pepper shakers, 25 on those. I love the 2-in-1 tomatoes. Those are 15 each. The grapes, oh my gosh, the slightly seductive grapes. Is this the tag for them? 15, no, that's something different. No price on those. Looks like a lot of uranium. And another interesting handmade thing, the clothespin giraffe. Now this is very cool. I've never seen this. It's missing the lids on it, but look at this made in Japan caddy. That is so awesome. I've seen like spice sets and salt and pepper shakers, but I've never seen that one. And then here I see this drink mixer. Look at him. $22.50. Mr. Mix-It. Now this mid-century desk set is really neat. $15 on that. That's so cool. I love that it's one piece. And here we have our friend Big Boy. This one's got the burger on it. $30. I feel like that's a good price. When I see them in Ohio, they're insanely expensive. And then here, these almost look like Norcrest. Made in China, just kidding. They're Repops. Gosh, some of the Repops are so similar to the originals. Furby, clarinet. Man, this is really fun to go through. Looks like we're coming up on another booth that's got some vintage. It's a fun mid-century hobbyist jar there. See some Blinko back here. Looks like a Blinko pear. $38. And this one, I can never tell if these are Bischoff or Blinko. But really pretty. Probably Bischoff, maybe not. $42 on that. Either way, it's probably about retail. I like the needlepoint Grumpy Cat pillow down here. It's kind of fun. $13 on that. Well, I must say, so far, not as lucky as last time. Love the inflatable alien there. Definitely has more newer and flea market-y stuff than it did the last time, but still fun to look. It's more exciting, I think, when you find something really good in a place like this. Still got a couple more aisles to go. Got a bunch of great tins up here. Love the display. And jewelry, looks like it's gonna be all contemporary. Yeah, all contemporary costume. Oh, but look at this guy back here. That is so great. Super Gooper. Mattel, $15. I feel like that's a really good price for him. And he's in really good condition. It's like a heater thingy. I can't remember what they actually are, but I love the look of him. He's in really good condition too. Well, surprisingly, there's a bunch on the bay right now that are in pretty decent condition for $20 to $25, so I think I'm gonna leave that one. Well, I walked out with a poodle from a poodle sale in July, and it's always fun to go somewhere new. It's a beautiful day here. I know another spot down the road, so I'm gonna go there next. I'll see you guys there. Well, I'm still here in Huntington, West Virginia, and I got more junk. Half kidding. I'm at Sue's Junk. Okay, it is called Junk in all fairness. Sue's Junk and Antique Mall. I've only been here once before, and hopefully get lucky in there. Seems to be some kind of flea market situation happening outside. Might check out. All right. Well, first thing I see is this giant thing of marbles. $99. I was gonna say it looks like there's some uranium ones in there, but for $99, I think I'm gonna let that be. This is a neat little lighter. And a Scotty Dog letter holder. That's fun. And then this is really nice with the controlled bubbles. Let's see, $19. That's not what I want it to be. This is neat too, the decanter, Scandinavian. Look at all the stoppers. The stoppers are nice. Now this is cool with the flowers. Anchor Hawking, $19. This little perfume stands out with the cut glass stopper. Definitely close quarters in here. There's a lot more stuff over here than I remember. Nice Blinko, $100. Festival of Glass, I feel like that's a good deal. It's really neat. Some more swung vases, $54 on that. This milk glass one is really pretty, $34. A lot going on back here. I love this Japanese Art Deco lady vase. That one's at $40. Wow, look at these clocks, Dresden. Those are gorgeous, and they're only $25 each. I see something pretty promising coming up. Oh my gosh, look at the other side. It's all alley cats. Excited to get over there. They're probably expensive in the meantime. Nice Blinko mushroom. Some marbles. Looks like some uranium ones in here too. $20 on that. This is pretty. Moon and Stars, $90 for the set with the lids. That's pretty good. Definitely anxious to get to the other side. A lot of nice jadeite pieces as well. Well, this is not as crazy as I was expecting. Looks like they're $150 each. That one looks... Oh, that one was hand-painted and it's missing its paint. I really like the blue slag glass one. A little close. Still a little room to be made. Holy cow, look at that Blinko stopper. I'm assuming that's what that is. Maybe not. It's pretty aggressive. Some great Blinko pieces. Look at this one. That's nice too. I love the decanter. Some more nice glass pieces. This is a Carnival glass wall pocket. That's different. A lot going on in here too. See some vintage sprinkled in. Nothing that I'm really crazy about yet. Definitely another place where it's a hodgepodge. Oh, what is this cat back here? Flat face. Baby Joy 1967, $10. Well, that's really fun. It's in really good condition too. I love the flat face. I think he's gonna come with us. I'm looking. There's definitely a lot going on in here. Did I even go down this aisle? Now I'm all turned around. I don't think I did. Lots of Fiesta, kitchenware, USA pottery. Nothing really stands out so far. I feel like it's coming though. I don't know why. I always have a good feeling when I come to places like this. The remains of Easter here. It's a fun lamp. Looks like a pilgrim glass horse or something. It's got a little damage. $20. That's fun. That looks Italian almost. It is Italian. That's why it looks Italian. Very cool. Only 22. Oh my gosh, what is happening here? Alice in Wonderland. A couple things over here. Nice lucite, little trinket box. Well, that's pretty. Look at this Blinko. I love that color. $150 on that. More Blinko. Of course, we are very close to Blinko. I love these. Viking chalice, $26. Different. The color on those are awesome. Let me get in the booth. Hold on. Another nice Blinko water bottle. all kind of where it needs to be. This is new, but I just love the gray. Ooh, but good thing I picked that up because look what's hiding underneath of it. $4, enamel over copper. Wow, look at this one. Oh my gosh, that's spectacular. $6. I think it's time to do some digging. A couple nice and genie bottles out here, $50 each. Really nice clear Jack in the Pulpit. I believe that's Pilgrim glass. Another booth that looks promising. Some pink milk glass. I was distracted by the decanters for a second. They're not exactly what I wanted them to be, though. Nice mid-century pottery ashtray. Love the glaze on that. Then back here, see another Empoli bottle. Doesn't have a stopper, but geez Louise, it's $15. That's crazy. And then here, this is a really pretty fan vase. $39.95. That looks like Blinko. Not sure if it is. It's a slide glass ashtray. It kind of looks like Blinko Amoeba shape though. Wow, really a deal on those enamel over copper plates. They were so pretty too. Found a couple things, and I'm gonna enjoy this nice weather and head down to Milton. I'll see you guys later.